Today is Friday, July 24th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. A lot of quiet weather continuing for portions of the Midwest, but maybe not quite as quiet as it was earlier in the week. This morning, some showers and thunderstorms diving south and east. And as we head into tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see some scattered showers and storms maybe firing up over the northern plains and the western Great Lakes. But outside of that, we're still mostly staying pretty quiet. Temperatures in the low 80s in Michigan today, from Grand Rapids over to Detroit. 80 today in Cleveland, about 81 in Chicago. Got maybe an isolated shower over there in Des Moines. 83 for you in Minneapolis. Low 80s down the Ohio River Valley, from Pittsburgh to Cincy over to Louisville. Roanoke, you're in the upper 70s today. Some cool weather for you. 88 in Nashville, 91 in Memphis, and that's just some scattered showers in St. Louis. Looks worse than it actually will be there with that icon. By the end of the weekend, I think in the Midwest and through the Great Lakes, we're going to get some hot weather coming back, probably up near 90 in Detroit by Sunday and Monday, and into the 90s in Chicago Sunday and Monday. In the south, the remnants of what was Bertha now moving across southern Texas today. So we're clearing up across the Gulf. And actually, this is going to be probably one of the nicer weekends we've had in quite some time. Although I can't rule out a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms happening here in the southeast. We're talking about Alabama, Georgia, and South Carolina. You see those showers and storms today. Tomorrow, not a whole lot going on for the rest of the south. 84 today in Washington. Here's your scattered showers. This looks, by the way, worse than it actually will be. But there's about a 30% chance of an isolated shower from Wilmington to Charleston, Savannah, and Atlanta. We're dry out there in New Orleans and Dallas. An opportunity to dry out from some rain recently in New Orleans, but it's hot. I mean, mid and upper 90s. And we got actually some 90s on the Florida Peninsula as well. When you don't get the showers and storms, you get pretty darn hot in Florida. So by the end of the weekend, without the risk for an isolated shower or thunderstorm, we get pretty hot here in the southeast. So expect temperatures to climb back into the 90s by Monday and Tuesday. And then in Fort Lauderdale, scattered clouds will keep us pretty quiet here through the afternoon with a high up around 90, 85 by later on this evening. Looks like low 90s tomorrow and Sunday, and probably early next week as well. That is your Friday morning weather update. I hope that everyone has a terrific weekend. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.